How you doing? David Hall, Coldwell Banker, coming at you again. Investor, agent, partner, manager, real estate expert in general. Wanted to give you a couple tips that I learned along the ways in managing properties, doing flips, whatever investment real estate thing you're doing. There's a few things that a database, a spreadsheet, some sort of online cloud-based software can save you a lot of headaches and a lot of time. So the first one is spend some extra time. I always say pick a store, whether it's Menards, Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever. Pick out your dream bathroom or the bathroom that you plan to use for your property. So I pick a bath faucet, shower faucet, tub, flooring, vanity, cabinets, all of that. Pick a paint color. I know my paint color by heart. It's Revere Pewter, Benjamin Moore. It's a Benjamin Moore color. So I can call any paint shop and ask them to mix some of that up for me, and they can look up the number or the paint specific number based off of the name, and then they can have it mixed for me before I even get to the store. So I'm not picking a new color each time. Same with when tenants move out, I know exactly what color. I had painted it before, so touch-up is easier. Repainting is easier. Same with your flooring. I use the exact same vinyl plank flooring that I get from Menards in every property now. So if one piece gets damaged, I know exactly which one it is, and better yet, I might have some in stock. So write down your SKU numbers in a spreadsheet that you can give to a contractor. Not only does it make their bids, when they're separating labor and materials, easier to decipher because you know exactly what the materials are going to cost, but it also makes it so you get the same finished product each time. One other thing is if you own apartments or investment properties, I take a picture of the model number and serial number of each of the appliances. So your furnace, your water heater, your refrigerator, your stove, take pictures of all of that and save it someplace online. So when if a tenant ever calls saying, hey, my refrigerator's broken or the bulb went out or whatever it is, you can look it up online, or you can send it to your repair guy and he's going to know exactly what parts he needs and if he can even service it. Some appliance people only repair certain types of manufacturers. So if you're calling and you're saying I have a frigid air stove from 2005, he might say, oh, it sounds like it's a compressor. That normally costs $400. So right then it's not worth repairing. You should just get a new one. The last thing is I keep records of all of the tenants that applied for my properties, and not just applied, the ones that showed interest in my properties. So I have a 2-bedroom, in Lansing for rent for $600. I get 50 applications. 50 applications. I save the people that I think were good fits, even if I went with someone else. That way, when the property comes available again, you have a list of people that might be interested in it, and if they're not interested, they might know someone else that could be interested in it. So right there, you can start marketing it before you even, why reinvent the wheel when you can just reach out to those people that were looking at one point and see if you can get someone there without having to start all over again. So just a couple tips, hope that those help. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about real estate in general, buying, selling, investing, renting, managing. I can help you with all of that. So talk to you soon.